Hello friends, I am Manish from Reformation Team ITNU, team code RN1141, and today we are going to show you the implementation we have done as well as the authorities have done in our campus for green architecture technologies. As you can see here that most of the campus is completely green, and in most of the places there is greenery out there. You can clearly see that the whole campus is completely green. There is everywhere greenery. Any place which is left open, there is greenery out there. So was no need to plant any trees or anything. Previously, all of this paving was completely concrete, and now the authorities have converted it into this blocks so that the water can go inside and can be retained by the soil. Previously, due to the concrete, the water could never go inside, and that was not green. As you can see, even now, some of the paving is being changed to the block system that we have previously seen instead of the concrete system, so that for the said purposes I already mentioned. Right. Uh, you can clearly see that in the whole campus at appropriate places dustbins have been placed so that the waste can be segregated and put there only, and the waste is not thrown anywhere by the students. You can see this is the first this is one dustbin, there is another dustbin there. In every institute's building has dustbins at appropriate places. The campus has placed sprinklers in all the gardens. There are many gardens in the whole campus, and the authorities have placed water sprinklers in the whole garden so that the water is used efficiently and it's not wasted, and all of the green plants and everything get the proper amount of water. This is a panel with CFL light in it. There are no completely the whole campus is almost completely free of the light bulbs that are used in the general places. You can see parabolic reflectors, solar panels out there on the roof of the building of the institute. So solar panels are also used in the campus for generation of electricity as well as heating the water sources. The whole campus is regularly cleaned by the workers present in the Nirma campus 24/7 for the cleaning and maintenance of the whole campus. You can see in the whole canteen there is nowhere any light, tube light or a light bulb has been used. Everywhere the use of environmental friendly CFLs you can see. And also the whole canteen has been designed appropriately so that there is proper ventilation as well as the inflow of the sunlight. Campus, there have been green architecture technologies, plenty of green architecture technologies all over the campus. There are water sprinklers, there is greenery, plants, trees, there are CFLs there are no light bulbs at all. There are only CFLs and tube lights, which are a lot more green efficient. As you can see, this is one of the sprinklers that has been implemented by the team of Reform Nation ITNU. These sprinklers is using the plastic bottles as the sprinklers to give a wider reach to the whole area and provide water for efficient usage. And this has been done by the team Reform Nation ITNU. This is the central AC plant for the management building of our campus. This is much better than placing hundreds of AC coolers in the whole campus. It's better to have a centrally AC plant which provides proper air conditioning without the excess amount of air conditioners and excess electricity that is being used through hundreds of ACs. It's better to have this one instead of that.